learn the rules so that we can break the rules. So the rule that I was teaching you was doing it in straight lines. Now, from a performance perspective, I'm going to take this and treat it much more like a waltz, where you're doing a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you're moving through space. So I'm going to take just this basic move of, this chasing the sun. Now watch. This is what I call freewheeling, where I'm moving through the space, not in straight lines. And then it's like a triquetra and a turn in your body. So instead of doing a 180, you're doing a 120. And then you're doing another 120. And then you're doing another 120. So you're doing this here, then you're doing this here, and then you're doing this here. So it's 120 degrees rather than 180. 180 is a full line. 120 is 2 lines. I start in overhand here. And instead of doing a clean 180, right, to the opposite side, I do a 120. I come out underhand facing here. Then I step, and then instead of doing a clean 180, which would be there, I'm going to do 120 degrees and come out here. And then I step, and then instead of being clean with it and doing a 180, I come out here. And I started in overhand, but after those 3 turns, I'm now in underhand. So it takes you 6 turns to get back to overhand here, right? Bum, 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 bum. Now I'm overhand. That's the other 3 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing with the weave. It's the same technique. What you're doing, though, is you're turning in thirds rather than turning in 180s. Your overhand, your first turn, you go from overhand to underhand, but now you're facing 1/3. Then you go from underhand to overhand, and now you're going to turn another third. So now we're halfway through. We've done 3 turns. We're back to where we started, but now we're in underhand rather than overhand. We do the same turns again. You go 1, now you're at overhand. And then you go 2, now you're in underhand. And now you go 3, and now you're in overhand.